Hey everyone, this is Ray here at American Motors Custom and Classics. We are located in San Jose, California with this beautiful 72 Nova here. This car is white with a black interior, bucket seats. It's been restored, it's an older restoration. We'll get it running for you in a minute so you can see the beautiful 383 engine that is nice and strong. This car is very fast. 4-speed manual transmission, disc brakes, slotted front rotors, gauge console, power steering. It's got a working tach. It's even got a working clock. Take a look at the undercarriage photos, which we will show you on our website. Undercarriage is very clean. Floors are nice. There's no rust on the car. 72 Nova. Beautiful radials on there. It's white with a black interior. The interior is really clean. There's no rips or stains or tears. The dashboard is really nice. Steering wheel's real nice. It looks very original. The engine is not original. It's kind of a hot rod, but it's inconspicuous looking until you start it up. Speaking of which, I will start it up for you. We have the air cleaner inside. It's off the car right now. Give us a call with any questions, 408-610-1000. Look at the cool Hurst shifter. Our gauges are operational. It's showing me temperature. Oh, it's got a newer stereo with a remote. It's got a working heater. It's got a working clock. I don't know if you can see that. It's 11:20 right now. It's kind of slow, but it's working. Working tach. See that tach works? Let's go look at the motor. If you're interested in a Nova that needs nothing, give us a call, 408-610-1000. This car, if you were to get a shell of a vehicle and restore it with a 383 hot rod motor, 4-speed manual, get it painted, cost you $50,000-$60,000, and it still won't be this nice. Give us a call, 408-610-1000 with any questions. We can help you with shipping all over the country, sometimes even to other countries. We can help you with financing. This is a nice car that's been gone through. It's been redone. All you gotta do is sit in and drive it. It's got seat belts. It's got the GM buckles, which is cool. It's got really just needs a new owner. Power steering, heater, and so much more. 408-610-1000. Don't miss this one, guys.